Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Now that our new kitchen is finished, the dolls are inspired to cook up a feast. Today, Grace and Leah are making pizza. This tutorial has two crafts. We show how to make the new AG basil and ricotta pizza, and also this super cute functioning pizza wheel to cut it. The pizza fits perfectly in the oven. So, let's get making! To make the pizza crust, the secret ingredient is paper towels. Wet a single paper towel and drape it over a smooth plastic surface. We used a coffee mug as our size guide. Scrunch the paper towel to begin forming the pizza base. Wet another paper towel and repeat the process. We did 4 layers. With your palm, compress the paper for a better pizza. It also helps squeeze out any excess water. On the last layer, focus on building up the crust. When you are happy, set it aside to dry. To give the paper more strength, coat the whole thing in liquid glue and let it dry completely. Now for the paint job. Take a light brown shade and damp brush to paint an even first layer. To highlight the texture, take a darker brown and dry brush the pizza, concentrating this colour over the crust. Don't forget to paint the bottom. For toppings, punch circles from red cardstock. Glue 2 together for each capsicum. You will need 3 in total. To achieve the cutaway centre, use a regular stationary punch. Here we used a template so all our capsicums would look the same. For the basil, reference images from AG's Pizza and freehand the leaves on green cardstock. Double up the cardstock, then cut out your leaves. Generously apply glue and arrange the toppings like those from the AG version. First are the capsicums, then the basil leaves. Press down to ensure they have a good connection with the pizza base. For the cheese, we are using cream puffy paint. It helps to squeeze some puffy paint under the toppings so they have additional dimension and are anchored in place when the paint dries. Add a few drops here and there, and the pizza is done. Now let's make this super cute pizza wheel that really turns. Use a phone as a light box. Enlarge an image of the pizza wheel to be about 7 centimeters tall. Place computer paper over the top and lightly trace the silhouette. If the image accidentally moves, just reset and keep going. We now have a template that kind of looks like a banana. Trace the body shape on paperboard 4 times. Next, cut just the handle segment and trace this 7 times. You will also need to cut or punch 3 small circles for the wheel. Cut everything out. Glue 2 handles to the outside of our body shape. Repeat for the other side, but remember to flip your piece as you want them to be mirror images. I forgot and had to fix mine later. Stack and glue your circle pieces, then mark the center point. Carefully push a pin through all the layers. Widen the hole with a toothpick. Do the same at the top of the remaining 2 body shapes. It's best to paint the cutting wheel and neck of the handle silver now before trying to assemble. We used silver nail polish. Next, glue the remaining 3 handles to the body of the cutter as shown. Take thin florist wire, a paper clip would work just as well for this step, and thread on the right side body piece, the wheel, and left side body piece. Now, pinch and fold the wire to close in the wheel. Check the pizza wheel rotates and adjust if the wire is too tight. Glue on the right and left outside body pieces to secure and conceal the wire. It helps to use clothes pegs to hold the pieces in place while they dry. To match the AG version, paint the handle section green. We use nail polish for that glossy shine. Let your pieces dry completely and you're done! Now the dolls have hot, fresh pizza straight from the oven. Leah is keen to cut the slices. I hope she makes them even. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.